Igoo Mmuo 101 na-agwa gị na enwere 3 things eji bụ onye na-agụ mmụọ. N'iya na-agụ ọfọ, which is not just in the morning or on naked days. N'iya na-achụ aja, which is not just offering sacrifice, blood sacrifice. N'iya na-edebe nsọ, which is not just telling females that on their days that ha nọ na nsọ. N'iya na-agba mbọ na-eme all of them, because this is feeding your Okala Mmuo. Igoo Mmuo is feeding your Okala Mmuo. So the way you feed your Okala Mmuo 24/7 is how you have to feed your Okala Mmuo 24/7. And you have to do all 3, right? All 3 are part of the practice. It's not as if you have to do. It's like, it's all 3 that make sense. For example, let me use the 3rd one. Enwe ndị na-edebe nsọ Nwaada Akajiofo. They don't talk with their spirits, or they might talk with their spirit by mistake, or their entities, the universe, right? And this sister, for example, ideally want to think that these are females, usually Ben Nafana Adiroma. Mefa ejiweli feli. Females in all the important debenso show a higher connection. This is already somebody who is leaning towards the spirituality thing, right? Befe banye eba. So, mana onyawa ade on a deben sofu. Man oda go for ikbo ore. Oda chuaja as much as the like onwe defenya no Nwaada has spirit sisters from her home. Maybe they don't even they talk anything, you see. So that aja for one, she know they even talk to her sisters that much, right? Maybe she they talk to her sisters. But the one thing where this fervent person they do actually say she they debenso, right? Say she keep herself. This person, he get practice of spirituality where she still they live untendered. So this does not happen only to sisters. This also happens with some of these power ministry kind people, energy pastors. They fit keep that woman with that power, with that her so they bring. A woman where they in alignment with her. A woman where get awu, whatever that means. A woman where they close to source, where they keep her son a powerful being. But the thing is that it should be used against her, because she should be creating a clan, being a serious deity in a clan. But she will go and be in one mumu bastard. We probably know they keep on, so we probably they sleep with people's wife for that ministry. She will go and be under that guy's brothel. She's being spiritually trafficked.